A Dodge Challenger Shakedown is the first of 7 last call special editions. That's because you got the electric model coming up, and they're going to go out with a bang here.
Ooh.
A literal bang of an old combustion engine. The Shakedown edition starts with a loaded Challenger RT Scat Pack and adds black and red exterior and interior bits. What do you think about that color?
That looks really badass.
You like it, right?
Yes.
You got the gray and the black and the red. It's all going together quite well. Only 1,000 Shakedown editions will be split between the 485 horsepower RT Scat Pack and the wide body twin, priced between $55,000 and $65,000 USD. I believe these things are made over in Brampton, by the way, so you can support some local workers there, Will.
Okay.
When you go ahead and pick one of these up. You got all types of graphics. You know how it goes with the racing stripes. Options such as carbon fiber and micro suede interior trim, technology package, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, and obviously a V8 making some noise. There will be 1,000 total, so 500 Challenger RT Scat Pack and 500 RT wide body variants. The pricing is not official. This is just guesswork where it's going to land. Some people will pick these up as collector's items. When we did the clip on the electric one, man, people are into it. It is a different take in the electric realm, right? The Daytona. We did the clip. It has like 100,000 views. People are talking about that. And that should tell you something. I mean, some people are hating on it. Some people are loving it, but it should tell you something. People are interested in a slightly different take on the EV.
For sure, yeah.
Which is kind of what this is. But also, on the flip side of that, them putting that, Dodge putting that out there means that some collectors are going to look at these last call editions as a way to hang on to the very last combustion version of really a car that's already collectible to begin with. And so I think these are going to be hard to come by. Even if people just like put them in a warehouse and they're like, that's it.
The look is very timeless over here. So good for them. You know, close it out strong.
Close it out strong. Have a little celebration.